traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1975th edition of Short-Term Day Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, YouTube fans, thank you so much for showing up at my channel. Love you guys. Please stop what you're doing right now and subscribe to my YouTube videos, and then hit the alert button so that you are alerted every time I put out a new video. These videos are geared for immediately trading the very next trading day. Sometimes they're geared to start trading the moment you view them. So make sure that you have subscribed. And do me a favor, if you don't mind, comment on the videos, like them, and share them across the internet. Much appreciate that, kids. I'll look for your comments, and I'll be sure to reply. As you know, this is a very risky game. Trading stocks, trading futures, trading options, trading ETFs, trading anything at all is extremely risky. You can lose way more than you've put in your own trading account. I know you've heard stories. Well, they're true. You can lose way more than you think you're gambling with. Make sure that you have risk capital that is earmarked to be lost just in case something goes wrong. Never trade without stops. Know that this game is certainly not suitable for all traders, okay? Just know that. But many of you out there are very astute. You guys put your stops in, you gals, and you're fantastic traders. And if you want to continue to get better at this, make sure you hang out with me at livewithoscar.com in my live trading rooms. Right before I get into what's on this board, and there's some great topics, and you know what tomorrow is. Wednesday's a big day. Let me just remind you, OMNI Camp is coming September 19th. I've got a couple of open seats at my OMNI Camp. OMNI Camp is a 4-day live seminar held here in Las Vegas. I invite you not just into Las Vegas, I invite you to my home, to the inner sanctum, into my office, where I will personally train you how to handle Oscar's market navigational indicator, the OMNI. I will teach you how to run the OMNI for yourselves. I will give you a brand new laptop programmed by me. You will receive that laptop. You will receive your education. I will house you. I won't clothe you. You got to bring your own clothes. But we're going to feed you. We house you. We transport you around. And I give you a laptop plus fantastic education. All of that comes at you in a 4-day session. OMNI Camp, September 19th, this September. Make sure you're here. Allow me to give you financial freedom. Traders, what is on this board? For trading on July 31st, it is the last day of the month. There is no more selling in the E-mini, S&P, or NASDAQ. And how about that great OMNI call to go short on Tuesday? OMNI gave us a short right at the highs. The market cracked. We got out. We sidestepped. And whatever happened for the rest of Tuesday happened without us. Now comes Wednesday. No more selling. I told you sell it Tuesday. No more selling. I will show you the reason technically why we've hit the bottom of a channel. I will tell you that there is window dressing to watch out for on the last day of any month. Not as much as on the last day of the quarter, but the last day of any month. There is window dressing where big stock companies tend to purchase the stocks that are doing well and sell out the ones that aren't doing so well. You'll get some of that. And you've got the Fed decision. This is Fed, or FOMC for you old timers, the Federal Open Market Committee. This is day 2 of a 2-day meeting. They come out on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern and make an announcement about lowering, raising, or doing nothing with interest rates, right? That's what the FOMC does. Well, we know Powell is earmarked, or right now should be earmarked, to lower rates by a 1/4 basis point. That's expected. I think metals rally from that. I think the S&P rallies from that. I think it probably will be well perceived. I think that, or well received, I guess. It's not going to be perceived because it's going to come out. I also think that if they did a 1/2 point, it would get a little bit too much, a little bit scary. I don't really think there's a need to do this anyway, but it's coming, right? And here's what you need to do. There is going to be thick volatility. Markets are going to go like this. Your job is to do nothing tomorrow. Keep your powder dry. Here's what I've learned in 38 years in this business. On a Monday, the markets seem to be here when I get up in the morning. Tuesday, guess what? They're here. On Wednesday, they're here again. If you don't trade tomorrow, I promise you this, markets will open again on Thursday and you'll have your chance. The volatility becomes extreme. Even if you're right, your stops can be hit and then you watch the trade go in your direction. It's one of the worst feelings when that happens to you, and that happens more often on a Fed day than any other day of the year. So be careful. Try not to trade. I do like metals here, I'll tell you that much. If I was going to do anything, I'd buy a little scalp in silver and get out on a quick pop maybe, or gold. But for the most case, we're going to keep our powder dry, stay out of the indices, we're going to stay out of any interest rate markets. Let's just let this happen without us tomorrow, and we'll pick things up after the interest rate's done. Markets go nuts for a little while. Thursday, we'll pick right back up where we left off. Traders, with no further ado, let's go! Look at some charts.
Omniacs and traders alike. The next OMNI camp is coming, and I am raising my prices. I'm here to tell you the price is going up, but I'm going to add a tremendous amount of value with this new pricing. When you leave OMNI camp, you will leave with a brand new laptop, high quality laptop. It will be programmed with everything you need, my software, the OMNI, everything that you would need so that you can go home and practice on the plane ride on the way home from Las Vegas. On top of that, if you come out to OMNI Camp, I will offer you a 50% discount on my OMNI recommendations for the entire year for the rest of your lives. You join the annual subscription, it is half price for the rest of your lives, and on top of that, to make things even sweeter, as I post courses in the future, as I post online courses, you will get a 30% discount on all of my new online courses for the rest of your lives. Fill out your OmniCamp application now, and I will see you in Las Vegas.
Okay, Omniacs, here is the reason for no more selling. Look at this right here. Watch, I'm going to delete this for you. What you are looking at is the very same chart I used in last night's video, Monday night for trading on Tuesday, in which I said we had a red Omni for trading on Tuesday, 7/30/2019 for day trading the E-mini S&P. That was the short call from Omni. Now let's populate the chart with Tuesday's bar. Look at that. It was exactly what Omni called for. And Omni got a short right at the highs. It was beautiful. Great trade. Thank you, Omni. But what I'm saying now is that's it. Because we came to the bottom of this channel, which you can see holds so often, even if it gets near it. We're at the bottom of that channel. And now this is day 2 of a Fed day meeting. This is day 2 of a 2-day Fed meeting. And the Fed will make an announcement at 2 p.m. And believe me, there will be fireworks. But I don't want to be short the market any longer. We took our day trade, and we will not sell the market for trading on Wednesday. In fact, no trading in the indices for trading on Wednesday. If we take any trade at all, it'll be in the form of a room trade in my live trading room. That's the chart I wanted to show you, traders. We're back down here. Tuesday's bar was an absolute perfect call from Omni. No more selling. Okay, traders, get ready for Powell power tomorrow. Powell power, Powell power, Powell power. That guy's the strongest guy on the planet. You know that, right? If he wanted to move rates this big, do you know what that would do to the planet? My goodness, this guy's got a lot of muscle, this Mr. Powell, dude. Let's see what he does with it on Wednesday. Remember, keep your powder dry, kids. I promise you the markets will be here Thursday. I'll be here Thursday. We'll do our thing like we always do. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. Please be careful out there tomorrow. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but put your stops in first before you trade. That helps, believe me. And then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.